Aleph, ah, and sometimes oh, bays, that's not the way to be. Gimel, G, in good, Dalet has the sound of D. Hey, in fields we see it grow. Vov, it rhymes with love, you know. Zion, Z, it's time to say, that's our lesson for today. Yay, yay, yay. And it goes on. It's ridiculous. I'm ridiculous. But this is why kids want to learn Yiddish from me. Because they're like, she's ridiculous. I could do that. I can be ridiculous.